Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Money Trees, your source for financial edutainment. So, Bitcoin is king. Why? Why is Bitcoin king? Well, let's get into it. Let's find out why. Bitcoin is on the blockchain. For those of you that haven't watched my previous video, please go back and watch the first video explaining what block technology is. But essentially, Bitcoin is the first successful blockchain technology providing secure transactions. Transactions are distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Every transaction is verified across the network multiple times by miners for consensus and proof of work. Bitcoin is designed to be a deflationary currency. What does that mean? That means that the buying power increases over time. With inflation, like the US dollar, your buying power decreases over time. If we look at Bitcoin's market capitalization, right now it's number 3 currency on the planet. The euro and the US dollar being the biggest. But Bitcoin was at over $1 trillion market cap. Let's go back to that slide. Come on. Okay. Circulating supply is 18,718,000 Bitcoin roughly out of 21 million. That's right. So there's only a finite supply of Bitcoin. There's only 21 million Bitcoin. And no, you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You don't have to spend $40,000 on a Bitcoin. You could buy 20 bucks. You could buy 10 bucks. You could buy whatever you can each week. And just, dollar cost into it. That way you have some Bitcoin. This is literally digital gold that's stored on a blockchain. Bitcoin will be completely mined in 2040. There's a code which halves the Bitcoin rewards every 4 years. So miners are rewarded with Bitcoin. Every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin paid out to miners is cut in half. As of now, the block reward is 6.25 coins per block and will decrease to 3.125 coins per block when it halves again. We just had a halving last year in 2020. If we look at our hodler waves, which is, hold on for dear life, when people buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and they hold, this is the amount of holding that's taking place. 1 week to a month is the red. 1 month, 3 months is the orange. 3 months, 6 months is this lighter orange, and you got the idea. But you have these peaks, right, where it's 1, 2, 3. And I really want to show you guys this picture right here. For some reason it's cut. Review. I should have started with picture format. Yeah, it's actually cropping part of this picture, but if you guys see here, we got wave 1, 2, 3, right? And then another halvening. This red line is a halvening. Then you got 1, 2, 3, another halvening, 1, 2, 3, current halvening, and we're barely in wave 1. So we are barely in wave 1. And this is the stock to flow. where, you know, from where Bitcoin started at a penny, jumped up to $1, all the way to $10, pulled back. Next happening happened in 2012, ran up all the way to 1,000, pulled back. Next happening happened in 2016, ran up all the way to, I believe it was 17K, 18K back in 2018. Pulled back. And right now, look at where we're at. So we still need to go to 100K and past that, beyond that. So if you thought you were too late, you're not too late. I want to go into the chart. I think it's important that we go into the chart so that you guys can see the cycles. And this is back when Bitcoin did its first transaction in 2010. And as you guys can see here, we had that parabolic move up, the drop off, that sell off, right? Consolidation, growth, accumulation, and then our first happening. The block rewards went from 50 Bitcoin per block to 25 per block. Notice how this flatlined over here. And now we have a new 4-year period. Parabolic move up, drop off, consolidation, growth, accumulation. And then we had another happening in 2016 where block rewards went from 25 Bitcoin per block to 12.5 per block. And when you look at that, can anybody tell me what's happening here? Everybody can recognize patterns, right? We got that big parabolic move up, the drop off, the consolidation, growth, accumulation, and then we just had a happening last year in May, family. So, ladies and gentlemen, can anybody tell me what's happening here? Can anybody guess what's about to happen here? If you guys thought you were late, you are very, very, very early to this space. It's a brand new asset class. You don't want to sleep on this one. I'm not saying go and, get $40,000 and buy a Bitcoin. Most of us can't do that. I can't do that. But throw in what you can. Don't even look at the price. Dollar cost average into it. What that means is that it doesn't matter what the price is. You're going to have a weekly budget or a monthly budget of what you're comfortable with putting in to Bitcoin. And you're going to forget about it. Because even if you get, a little bit, this thing is going to be worth millions of dollars one day. This could be your retirement. Like, think about retiring on $1 million. And if Bitcoin reaches 10 million per coin, you're talking about 100 times your money back. So why not, put some money, and it doesn't have to be a lot, just something. Don't get left behind. I am going to be going over other projects that have more of a use case. Don't get me wrong. Bitcoin can get passed up. Ethereum can pass up Bitcoin. And if you guys want to learn about Ethereum and that blockchain and what it does, stay tuned for the next video. I might do other videos first before Ethereum, but I will do Ethereum YouTube so that everybody knows what that blockchain is all about. But Bitcoin went after the financial sector. Ethereum is going after the tech sector with the smart contracts. So you really don't want to miss out. Get involved. Do it for your kids and your kids' kids and your kids' kids' kids, and you literally set up a legacy with this. It truly is not even a once in a lifetime. This is like a once in every 10,000 year opportunity. Like, when's the last time a new asset class? Think about when the stock market was invented. Have you had the opportunity to invest in the stock market when it first came out? This is what is happening right now. You have an opportunity to invest and participate in a brand new technology, a brand new asset class, before some of the big banking institutions even do. Who owns Bitcoin? What are the big institutions that own Bitcoin? We're gonna go right to the website, and I gotta find the link, ladies and gentlemen, but I will leave it down in a comment section below. That way, you guys can see what big corporations own Bitcoin right now. But there's a lot of big corporations that are already holding Bitcoin, and they're gonna continue to buy it up. So don't let the big financial institutions shake you out of your coins and your positions. Hold. Right now, there might be another pullback. If there is, jump on it. Don't wait, until Bitcoin hits 100,000 and want to jump in, because then it's gonna, obviously be more expensive. But there are other opportunities, and that's it for this one. Just hope that was informative. If you guys liked it, if you guys found any value in this, please hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, turn on a little bell so that every time I drop a channel you get a notification. And if there's anybody out there that that is interested in learning about blockchain and cryptocurrencies, please send them to my channel. I have a Discord. I'm starting a community. Come join the conversation. Put your 2 cents in. Let's have a debate. Whatever you guys want, let's do it. Come on, family. Let's go. Peace out.